are indeed very grateful to both of you for graciously and readily accepting our invitation. Thank you for sparing some moments from your precious time and making for this event. I welcome both of you on behalf of ISAC. I also extend my hearty welcome to Dr. Kodali Shivaram Krishna Prasad, Staff Grade Orthopedic Surgeon, Prince Charles Hospital, and Dr. M. Tamil Selvan, Additional Commissioner, Ministry of Agriculture, for gracing the event and being the pillars of the organization. It is a tradition to light a lamp first before starting any auspicious event or ritual. Light symbolizes the absence of darkness, grief, and unhappiness. Almighty's divine grace is spread all over the place by lighting the lamps. May I now request the chief guest of the evening, Mr. Raza Murad and Mr. Kiran Kumar, to please come forward and light the lamp before we proceed further. It is our honor today, by the gracious presence of Mr. Raza Murad and Mr. Kiran Kumar. They need no introduction, as we all have grown watching them in various movies and TV serials. I would like to take this opportunity to briefly refresh our memories with their careers in Indian cinema. Mr. Raza Murad is the son of Bollywood actor Murad. He has a very rich and baritone voice, and so we are very fond of it. One of his most memorable performances has been the role of a despondent poet in the 1973 hit film Namak Haram. Mr. Kiran Kumar is the son of veteran Bollywood actor Jeevan. Recently, Mr. Kiran Kumar has been honored with the life membership of the International Film and Television Club of the Asian Academy of Film and Television. We are thankful to both of you for entertaining us for all these years. Before we proceed further, I would like to take this opportunity of introducing ISAC, All India Economy Survey Award Council. ISAC is one of the India's leading brand management award council with a vision to recognize the world's best economic development program and partnership, marketing materials, and year's most influential leaders. It is a novel endeavor to acknowledge and recognize the distinguished efforts and work done by individuals and organizations. The primary purpose of ISAC Business Award is to provide local businesses an opportunity to celebrate and be recognized for their achievement. The award covers a broad range of categories, providing opportunities for all types of organizations. ISAC collects the data or feedback from consumers in different segments regarding their satisfaction upon the product quality and services being offered by the different brands or professionals in different locations all over the India. ISAC conducts this public survey cum marketing research over a period of 4 months by its research team, who collects the data across the different cities. The main aim of this public survey is to identify best companies, professionals, or products of our brands of quality. We are honored today to have with us Professor Sohan Raj Tatar, who is former Vice Chancellor Singhania University, Rajasthan, and former advisor Jan Vishwa Bharati University, Rajasthan. He has written and got published 75 books, and 15 books are under publication in his subjects of philosophy, yoga, and education. He has been graced with awards like Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Ekta Award, Samaj Bhushan, Samaj Ratna, and Jain Gyan Vigyan Manishi, and many more. May I now request Mr. Raza Murad and Mr. Kiran Kumar to please come on the stage and launch his book on Naxalism today. I request Mr. Raza Murad to please come on the stage and say a few words.
A very, very good evening to all of you. आप सबका स्वागत है, खैर मकदम है। ये हमारी हैट्रिक हो गई है। सामंत राय जी का ये तीसरा फंक्शन है जो हम अटेंड कर रहे हैं। जो बीड़ा आपने उठाया है इस फंक्शन को हमेशा करने का, वो तो चलता रहेगा। इतना जरूर कहूंगा कि ये पूरा का पूरा जो शो है, ये जो इवेंट है, ये वन मैन शो है और उस शख्स का नाम सामंत राय है। बड़ी मेहनत, बड़ी लगन के साथ ये अवार्ड फंक्शन ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, अकेले करते हैं। आपके लिए मैं एक शेर कहूंगा कि परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन, परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं, वही लोग खामोश रहते हैं अक्सर जमाने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं। हमारी हमेशा गुड विशेस, नेक ख्वाहिशात आपके साथ रहेंगी कि आपका फंक्शन हमेशा कामयाब हो। जितने भी यहाँ पे अवार्डीज हैं उन सबको मैं तहे दिल से मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा। वाकई आप सही मानों में अचीवर्स हैं। यू ऑल आर फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ और आपने बहुत कुछ अचीव किया है, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है। टुवर्ड्स द नेशन बिल्डिंग अनडाउटेडली, उसमें कोई शक की बात नहीं है। आपके इस कंट्रीब्यूशन को पहचानना, उसकी कदर करना, उसके मद्देनजर आपको यहाँ बुलाना, वो भी अपने आप में एक कम अचीवमेंट नहीं है। तो मैं सामंत राय जी को एक बार फिर मुबारकबाद दूंगा। मैं आप सबको फिर मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Sir, thank you very much. Now I request Mr. Kiran Kumar to please come on the stage and say a few words.
Good evening to all of you, all ladies and gentlemen and distinguished awardees. And Mr. Samant Rai, thank you for giving me the opportunity to come again this year. And I should tell you that it's very rare that you come across such a sweet person. And we attend a lot of functions, we attend a lot of events. But seldom do we come across somebody who is so genuine. You're a simple, genuine, good man. And I would love to be a part of your events whenever you call me. Thank you. To the achievers, I would like to say something that achievement can be very personal. आज अगर एक छोटी सी दुकान से शुरुआत करके अगर मैं एक बड़ा सा मॉल खोल लूँ तो बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट होती है। लेकिन मेरी दुकान छोटी सी थी, आज एक बड़ा सा मॉल है, इसके बारे में लोगों को क्या पता। जब इस तरह के फंक्शंस होते हैं जहाँ पर आपकी अचीवमेंट्स को दुनिया के सामने, मेहमानों के सामने, गेस्ट के सामने जब इसे दर्शाया जाता है तो आपकी जो अचीवमेंट है ना, आपका दिल जो है बहुत खुश होता है। I might achieve anything in life, but unless and until somebody recognizes my achievement, it's pointless. I would love to say, yes, I did good. I achieved what I wanted to achieve in life. And all achievers, everybody, जो भी इस दुनिया में आता है वो कुछ ना कुछ एक गोल, एक टारगेट लेके आप चलता है। किसी के और वो एक सपना लेके चलता है कि मेरा ये सपना है कि मैं इस मुकाम पे पहुंचूं। कभी कभी सपने पूरे होते हैं, कभी कभी सपने पूरे नहीं होते, लेकिन जिंदगी के आखिर पड़ाव तक उस सपने को पूरा करने की जो लगन है ना, उसे कभी नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए। एंड मिस्टर सामंत राय, you're doing a great job in making people celebrate what they have achieved. And for that, salute you. Thank you very much, Samant Rai ji. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, all of you, for having me around. And hopefully, next year. Thank you.
Well, winners are not created in a day. Persistent efforts, never say die attitude, and a constant urge to give the best makes them unique. And it's an honor for Isaac to recognize and felicitate those winners and celebrate their success at this level. And we are very happy to celebrate your success, your achievements here on the platform of Isaac. Now I request Mr. Raza Murad, Mr. Kiran Kumar, Dr. Kodali, Dr. Selvan and Mr. Samant Rai to please come on the stage so that we can start with our award ceremony. We would be starting with the Super Quality Crown Award. Dr. Girish AC, proprietor Curls and Curves Hair Transplantation and Cosmetic Surgery Center, for the Promising Hair Transplantation and Cosmetic Surgery Center of the Year Award. Thank you very much, sir.
ABS बायोकॉन का एक्सचेंज हो रहा है। ABS बायोकॉन का एक्सचेंज हो रहा है।